You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this nerve or type of nerves, visceral nerves, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from medicine, anatomy in particular. Stay tuned, there are more videos for you. English pronunciation. Splank, yes, CH pronounced like a K here because of the Greek origin, etymology. Splanchnic nerve, how to pronounce in English pronunciation, Splanchnic nerve, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.